We are always looking for new and different ways for you to look and feel your best. Rachael from Wells Plastic Surgery and Skincare is here to talk about the new FDA indication Restylane Lyfts for your hands and the current trends for improving your jawline. Welcome to the show, my friend.
Thank you.
Okay, let's talk about Restylane Lyft to begin with. Explain to everyone at home what it actually is.
So Restylane Lyft is a gel filler. It's made of hyaluronic acid, which is a naturally occurring substance in our body. It's great for contouring, volumizing, and giving structure and support where it's needed.
Okay, now where has it normally been used?
We've used it most often in the cheeks.
Okay.
It's a great product for contouring the cheeks.
Okay, and how long does that normally last?
A year to 18 months.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So this is the most exciting thing, everyone. We're going to show you some before and after shots on Miss Rachel's hands. Oh. And so let's talk a little bit about the new approval for Restylane Lyft on the hands.
Well, I think as a society, we have embraced the anti-aging movement for our faces, and it's been very effective. But we've neglected other areas of our body, and our hands are a telltale sign of our age. So when we add volume, it hides the vessels and tendons, and those are pretty scary hands in the beginning.
These are your hands?
Those, unfortunately, those are my hands.
Your before and after?
Yes.
Okay, can I just say to you, this trend is going to go crazy.
Yes.
Because one of the things that really shows your age, the hands.
The hands, absolutely.
It's what it is, everyone. Oh my gosh. Now, will same time for length of usage as well?
Yes.
About a year and a half, depending?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh. That is incredible.
Love it.
Love it. Love, love, love. Alrighty. I need to also tell you a little bit about the jawline. Now, how is this accomplished, and has it been something that you've done before, or it's just...
It is something that we have done before, but it is a current trend that we're seeing. I honestly believe it's a trend that's going to become as big as volumizing the lips.
Really?
So women are looking to define their jawlines more. So one of the great places to put it is you can put a little bit back in here and along the jawline to give more definition.
Let's bring up the before and afters about that as well. Oh, there's Mrs. Wells.
Yes.
Oh, that's your jawline as well.
So,
are you turning back the clock while you're talking to me?
I'm trying to. So Susan here is actually working on me. In this picture, she's working on my chin because the chin is a great thing to complement the jawline.
Wow. The difference.
Yes, and for me personally, I have a little bit of a cleft in my chin, so Susan corrects it for me. You can also relax the chin for someone who animates and their chin animates with them. You can put a little Botox or Dysport in there to relax it.
Well, let's talk about that, because I've been seeing some clips on Instagram and things like that of people injecting what I would assume was Botox or Dysport. Explain that process.
So we are now using Botox or Dysport in the chin and in the masseter muscle. The masseter muscle is what runs right back in here. It's great for slimming the face and also can give a little bit more definition to the jawline. Okay,
so obviously we can do the Botox or Dysport at the same time as the Restylane Lyft?
Oh, absolutely. It's a beautiful effect in slimming the face and also defining the jawline.
Okay, so let's talk about the other parts. Is there anywhere else we can use Restylane Lyft? I'm just thinking to myself, tell us where else on the face.
So, cheeks, chin, every once in a while, we might use it in the nasolabial folds, which are this area
I've
right
had that done
here.
quite a few years ago.
For someone who has really deep nasolabial folds. But for me, as an experienced injector, a lot of times I like to correct the cheeks first.
Do you?
Because if we correct the cheeks, then you start getting this nice lifting effect, and the nasolabial folds might not need to be corrected at all.
Okay, I understand. Well, as always, Rachel, we love you coming in.
Oh, thank
and
you.
you've
It's
got
always
such
a
an
pleasure.
incredible reputation. Can
Thank
I call
you.
you a queen injector?
Sure.
She has an incredible reputation, everyone, for doing beautiful, natural-looking work. If you want to find out more on how you can make an appointment for Wells Plastic Surgery and Skincare, there it all is up on the screen for you. Give them a call. They are so lovely over there. You know they've been on our show for almost 2 years now, and we love you coming on. More Midday after the break, everyone.